How to appear away in Fortnite. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can set your Fortnite status to away. So in order to appear away in Fortnite, all you will need to do is simply follow these simple steps. So the first thing that we're going to do is click onto a profile picture at the top right corner of the screen, and once you click here you can again see your profile picture right here. So click onto this, and once you do this you can see these two options. The first one is online and the second option is away. So from here simply click onto this away option, and now you will appear offline in Fortnite. So that's how easily you can set your status to away in Fortnite. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.